Welcome, I'm Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity. This is my paper crafting channel, and I started it to share some paper crafting tips and some of the things I love with people who love paper crafting. So hope you enjoy. Today I have some really cute Christmas items that I have from the past. I'm going to consider this I would call this a retro haul because it's not anything from this year's collections. This is 2023 and I did not buy any Lawn Fawn this year. I love it so much, but I just could not do it because I have so many Lawn Fawn items, stamps and dies and all kinds of things from Lawn Fawn because I just love their company. I am not affiliated with them in any way. They're not sponsoring any of this. These are just items that I purchased myself and that I love and want to share with you. Just to give you some ideas of some different things you can do with stamps at Christmas time. So first I'm going to start with this really cute set that's called Ready Set Snow, and it's from a couple years ago. Lawn Fawn comes out with really great items like every year, and I know they have several different types of snow globes. I wanted to get a new one that they had, but I wanted to hold off until another year, maybe next year, just so that I will use the ones I have already, which I know that most of us are, probably need to use up things in our stash and use products that we already own. So this is so cute though. You can actually die cut the snowman and the house and the trees and everything to make a scene inside of the snow globe. You can make a shaker with the snow globe. You can put anything else in there, it's really cool. You can make it into any kind of scene that you want. You can add Merry Christmas or Ready Set Snow down here on the base of the snow globe. And so it's a really fun, can be very interactive type of stamp set. I would highly suggest that if you are into paper crafting and you don't already have a stamping platform like a Misty or a Tim Holtz, again, I'm not promoting them, I'm just saying those type of products are really, really great when using, using these photopolymer stamps. Much easier to use than trying to stamp something over again with an acrylic block. Something like this would be very hard to restamp, right? So one of the things that I like about this, and the reason I purchased it, was because you can cut apart these little tiny designs, the snowmen, the gingerbread men, even the trees, the ornaments, they can all be separated out, so you can use them in different ways, or you can keep them all together as a border. You could have the house, it could be in the snow globe that I just showed. The houses could, be cut apart. And plus you have a really cool, really nice, large type of greeting for any of your Christmas projects. So these are really cute on cards, or you can use them in all kinds of different ways in scrapbooking, use them in planning. Like I said, they can be cut apart. You can use them on tags. It's just really cute. Make your own like washi tape with it. It's great. Okay, here's a stamp set that came out a couple years ago, I think. It's called Mice on Ice. They have all kinds of adorable critters through Lawn Fawn. Lawn Fawn's known for, it's just adorable critters that they love to you use over and over again, so it's very versatile. Okay, so you have like little stamp collections like this where you have the same type of mice. Now they're with a Christmas tree. Okay, let me go back in the frame. Sorry about that. Sorry about the wind. There's a bad storm happening outside my home right now. And it's actually like shaking the windows. It's so windy out there. No snow. it's about a week before Christmas, and we're not going to have any snow. So, oh well, but I can dream about it with my little critters and their ice skating. On this one, they're little ice skating escapades that they're going on. So I love the little scripts. The sentiments are so adorable. Sorry about the glare here. Tried to move my camera a little bit, and it just doesn't seem to want to not have a glare. Anyway, so you see what I'm saying. These are just like really adorable stamp sets. I think Fawn just, like, you know, hit a home run with their stamps and their dies. I've always enjoyed them. So, you know, they even have like little people, little tiny people for Christmas. You have snowman. I've got Santa Claus somewhere. He's like hidden somewhere, but these are some people that you can put on, you know, put on little scenes. They could go on the snow globe. They could go on tags, on some tags, you know, whatever you want. It's really fun. Last but not least, this is one I got last year. So this is called Window Scenes Winter. And so the premise here is that you have, this is the outside of a window. So you would stamp that and then cut around it or make a frame. There are frames that are dies that could be, you know, the window frames around the window. So you're looking outside from inside, obviously. And you could put critters out there, people, you know, some of these little people. You could put little dogs. Here's some dogs that are kind of associated with the stamp set, because this dog here to the left is, yeah, that is the left. He is like able to like be stamped, so he's sitting on the sofa and looking out the window. So he's like standing on the sofa. And this guy, you know, this one could be running, and this other one could be sitting on the sofa too, with his little maybe antlers on, or holding a bone, or whatever. It's just such a cute little set. So you don't have to buy them together, but I bought them together so that they could, you know, the dogs are called Furry and Bright, and so it is a Christmas set, like you can see, with lights and everything. So yeah, this is a fun this is a fun company. I love Fawn. Like I said, I am just a fan. I love paper crafting in all kinds of ways, and one of my favorite things to do is stamping and coloring and die cutting out the stamps and little critters and little people and all that, and just making scenes and making fun things. This Christmas I'm not able to do as much with this, but I have used these stamps in the past and I really enjoy them. So I hope you enjoy my videos, and I'm so sorry about all the noise, and I'm so tired because it's really late, but I'm trying to get all these videos done so that I can have them out by Christmas time, and hopefully, you know, other people will enjoy getting to see some of these products, even if they're older products, and, you know, just get some ideas and some, you know, have some tips for their own paper crafting ideas. So have a Merry Christmas, and hope to see you back again soon.